let's take a look at what Dave Ramsey says about credit and getting a mortgage. All right, first thing here on this post of his is a credit score is nothing but an I love debt score. Keep this in mind. And he says how to buy a home without a credit score. It's completely possible, and it's called manual underwriting. And this is true, but let's compare these real quick. So right now, we are going to be looking at no credit versus credit on an FHA home purchase. Now, why are we looking at FHA? Well, as of now, I do not know any conventional lenders that are going to lend on no credit, but FHA, there are some that will, but very few. So we're going to be looking at FHA 30-year fixed purchase, 310 880 value with a 300 loan amount. And these numbers are estimated on a 680 credit score and no credit as of 7/29/21. So let's look at the difference. So for our no score credit, from what I could find is I found a lender that would do 4.625%. And you can tell there's a big difference between that and that of having a 680 credit score, which is a 2.5% interest rate. Now look at the difference here between the principal and interest payments. Between the two, that's a big difference. But what's even more different is that total interest being paid. Wow, that's a big difference. So what does that come out to? So having credit saves, in this scenario, $357 a month and $128,539 in total interest over that 30-year mortgage. That's pretty astounding. So what do you do at that point? And what I recommend is, yeah, you gotta have a credit card. You don't have to have a ton of debt to be able to have credit. You can just get one credit card. You can use it every month, keep the balances low, maybe just keep $5, $10 of balance on there at all times. And people are like, well, you know what? I can't trust myself with a credit card. That's why I paid them all off. Well, what do? Well, just get yourself a secured card where you put your own money on there, like $300, $200, so that no matter what, you can't go over what you put in and you can't get yourself in trouble. And make sure that you set yourself up for auto pay every month to make sure that the payments are being made and your credit score is going to stay healthy. When it comes to these type of cards, if you want a prepaid, Open Sky is a great one and everybody qualifies. So in my opinion, it's completely wrong to say you don't need credit to buy a house. I think that's setting yourself up for failure and paying a lot of money that you don't have to when you could easily just use a simple little prepaid credit card and keep your credit healthy and keep your score up there and pay a lot less for a home. And then you're not going to be tied down to only using FHA, no credit, manual underwriting. So if you have any questions about buying a home, refinancing when it comes to these numbers and making sure that you're getting the best deal, always reach out to us and we'll take care of you and make sure that you're getting the best deal. So we'll talk to you soon and have a good one.